Yo, today I'm gonna show you how to make a beat in the style of REXV2. But before all that, let me just say that Rex is upcoming artist and he hops on a lot of beat types, different beat types. So I made a beat that I think he could hop on and I put my little twist on it. So that's all the yapping for today. Let's get right into it. So first I went on Splice and found this melody. But I thought it's really like fast, but it has a lot of potential. So I stretched it like twice. So without doing crazy math, what I do is just like cut in half and just stretch it where it was before. Like that, and I left it in like resample mode, but I just sped it up a little bit more. I fuck with it like with this bounce, so I just exported it. Then I threw a couple of effects on it, reverb. So I'm gonna get to the Zeus Unlimited in a second. Then I added this bass. This bass from our key REXV2. We'll go ahead and cop on our site. Let's go to our site, free kits and REXV2. This is the key right here, add to bag, and you can directly download it from here. And now let me come back to the Zeus Unlimited shit I was talking about. So I put my bass, let's say on 7 channel. I go here, I do like side chain to this track. It was like this before, but I go side chain to this track and I put Zeus on it with this preset. So when the bass hits, it cut out like exact frequencies it needs to put my bass and melody in harmony. In terms of not note harmony, in just like in general harmony. So they won't clash basically. And limiter is like a side chain. You can do it just if you leave it like this, like on default. You can go to compression, ignore all this shit. Go here, turn off these 3, then pick this, and just if you like overdo, you can do this effect, like distorted effect, something like that. Then it's open hat. Then it's like ear candy. It's from Cody's kit, free kit. Shout out Cody. Bunch of fire like ear candy shit. Ear candy really adds a lot to the beat, especially in like hip hop beats. Then I did this like snare. There's regular. But this one it's like a drill bounce. I shifted it from here to here, from regular spot to here. Then it's like became a jerk pattern, you feel me? Just to sauce it up. As you can see, my pattern is 16 bars. And this like bounce I took from old like ATL songs, not that old, but like 2000 songs. Usually hip hop bounce is just like this, you feel me? It's a little boring though. So you remove this shit here, and also you put one here, here and here, just on a clap tool. It's really like good combo to layer the snare and the bass, and it creates this like cool bounce. Also like a lot of underground song, a lot of like rap songs does this pattern. You know, there's Asama-san, Nine Vicious, whole bunch of people now does the same pattern, but I just sauce it up like this. Then it kind of creates this cool bounce. There, just remove these two to make it like a variation. Sauced it up, like made it a little bit more crazy by the end of the bar. And this part I just copy pasted it, and here I just like made it even more crazy with this like. Then I did counter snare, also from Cody kit. This regular. Feel me? This is why I like underground. You can make them creative, not that creative, but like unorthodox shifts and claps, snares and shit like that. Make whole nother like pattern here, make 16 bar pattern, and you feel me? All these little details to set up beat and make it unique, you know. Then I this time like a snare roll. To do that, I detected the node. You can do it by go here, edit in audio editor and the sampler, then also like right click regions, detect pitch regions, and gonna show G sharp and you go back to the sampler and you put G sharp here, and now it's like synced to your piano roll. So when you play E note, it really plays E. And then I just went here by the end of the bar, I chose 1/3. I just spammed the fuck out of the 1/3 and just did some manipulation with the velocity. I could have just also did this shit. Yeah, it's even better though. I also could have like just panned this to sauce it up. Yeah. Making the beat better by any moment. Also added this cool transition to another bar. Like you playing a game or some shit. Also the synths create this cool vibe with the sound effects, the hat. And that's it, just a little energy in it in the beginning of the bar. Then second hi-hat. Did y'all muted this? And you see this sample goes like this. It just kinda chilled here and then it kinda rises and it creates like tension and release, and the new pattern begins. Then I did this like Nick Mirror effects too. Another one, and then I did this like Chant. Kinda introduces itself here, and then it like goes crazy when the jerk pattern. Make it like dancey. Creates like tension by the end of this. And that's it. The sample never changes for real. It just like plays out fully or just like cuts. If you listen to this beat without any ear candy, it's cool though, but it's not it though. It's not the same. Especially with in this part. It adds a lot of character though. As far as mixing, nothing really on the effects. Just I did the same thing as I did with the bass and the melody. Put sounds in harmony with all the sounds that were clashing. I picked like a dominant one, let's say snare, and I put sus on a beta, let's say beta sound, and I cut out the frequencies from beta one. You feel me? When snare plays, hi-hat that. On master, nothing for real. Oh yeah, I added this like Oxford inflator native, just like a glue to all the master, all the sounds kind of glues together. Like this beat is really simple, it's kind of cool, kind of unique. I think puts you in this like video game like PlayStation 2 type of vibe. And yeah, BPM 150 BPM. Rex usually raps in this BPM. So yeah bro, that was it one more time. I appreciate you for watching this video. Cap out kids, sub up to this channel. I'ma go crazy, and yo, let me know what you're trying to see next. Peace.